Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to do the free or unlimited coding using Ollama, then Codex Nemotron 3 Ultra. So first here, if I go into this command prompt and if I write there Ollama -version. So 13.6 that installed there. So if I write there Codex -version, so Codex C9 auth 137 that install. Now let's write there Ollama. So you can see this model stats available. This is app is there. So launch Codex here. So you can see this. So that's all come there. Here Nemotron 3 Ultra is there. So if that appear, that's fine. If that not appeared, so you can install this manually. So here, let's go on this Ollama. Then models. Then Nemotron 3 Ultra. Here, you need to copy this command to install. So when you use this command, this will install there. Then you can get this one. So you can select any of this model. So there I'm going to select the Nemotron 3 Ultra, press enter. So here you can see OpenAI. Codex is 137 and model Nemotron 3 Ultra is there. So now you can do any coding there. So unlimited and free codings, you can see how this returning. So question is, you can ask any question, what exactly complex query in SQL server. So this is my second questions. And this here working 6 seconds and track. So this here you can see a complex query is this. Select a single here or the key character, the common type complex query is this one. This returning there. Okay. So multi-table joins, example inner, outer, this category. Now that's right there. Here, still this is returning sub queries and city correlated. This one, that's. Now, after that, you can ask any query, any coding related things inside there. Okay. So this is how we can do there unlimited free codings using Ollama Codex and Nemotron 3 Ultra. It's returning there. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.